Sony has some Discord news. So Discord was going to be sold. It was like a $10 billion discussion. It was going to be sold to Microsoft. Who knows what happened in those discussions? Who knows whether or not it was for real? Like, well, as far as the rumor was concerned, were they really going to, or was it a negotiation tactic? Like, did they always plan on this, or did things just not meet their criteria? And then they're like, okay, we'll go talk to Sony instead of Microsoft. But either way, they cut a deal with Sony that doesn't involve Sony acquiring Discord. Instead, they become a minority investor. And the whole report is pretty vague, but they say, look, we are working on integrating Discord into PlayStation consoles. That's as much as we have right now, which is kind of sounds like for Discord, pretty cool situation. You don't have to sell the whole company. You got Sony as a partner who has a pretty decent footprint as far as gaming's concerned. They take on a minority stake, so you get them at the table so they can say, maybe you want to do this and this. A little bit of advice. Now, maybe, I don't know, maybe the $10 billion could have been useful.
Sure, yeah.
If you cut a deal that way, but this one lets them presumably maintain complete control over the situation.
But that means that Discord will get a ton of more active users.
You'd assume so.
Or users in general.
You'd assume so. Right. What does it say here? It says that could mean full-fledged Discord app coming to PlayStation consoles, or an integration like connecting PSN and Discord accounts to more easily chat with friends off platform. These are, again, it's been a vague announcement, but the point is that there is a relationship there, and the criteria was met to make a deal and not have to sell the company. So I think actually some Discord users will be partial to this news instead of the Microsoft acquisition, because some people were worried like, oh, Microsoft's going to just bury or ruin Discord.
Yeah.
Which obviously that's not what happened.